Okay, good morning everybody. It is Tuesday the 31st of October 2023, Halloween. Happy Halloween everybody. I'm here at the Isle of Man ferry terminal to do my next update on this. It's been a few weeks since I've been in now. So the beginning of October they moved the bridge, the big bridge and pontoon and ramp, which was good. They got all that in, so we done a video. It was around about the 10th, so it's been about 20 days, 21 days since I've been here. So gonna get up in the air now and have a look at how it looks. So it'll all be settled, like the pontoon bridge and everything will all be like settled in. So we'll get up now, have a look around. I can see inside now, they've got lights on inside and everything. It's looking really good. But let's get up there and have a look. This is the Isle of Man ferry terminal on the 31st of October 2023. Let's get up there. Right guys, okay, there you go. That was the Isle of Man ferry terminal on the 31st of October 2023. You can see it right behind me there, just over this this walkway. It's looking really good. Again, I've been saying this for a long time, but now the bridge and everything's in. Bridge, pontoon, ramp, the link span it's called. So I'll tell you what, we'll call it the link span. Now that's in, passenger access systems in on the front. A lot of the externals are done. If not all, you know, almost all of the externals are done. It's going to be a lot of the like cosmetic interior now. Still twice a month I'll still get here and do it, probably up until the end of the year, twice a month maybe, and then we'll see how it goes. But yeah guys, I think you'll agree it's looking really good, looking lovely. Now it was raining a little bit, but I've just about missed the worst of the rain, I think. Time to get back in the car and get back indoors. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that guys. Please like, share and subscribe guys. Hit that subscribe button. What I'm going to link around now at the end of this video is a video I done on the Queensway Tunnel. It got quite a lot of views, quite a lot of people liked it. Bit of history and that about the Queensway Tunnel and the entrances and exits from the air. So yeah, I'll link that at the end of this video for people to have a look at if you haven't seen already. Other than that guys, as I said, please like, share, subscribe, hit that subscribe button for me, means an awful lot. Take care, bye.